All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. We are starting a new episode. It's a little mini series on making a table for work. So we've been working from home since early 2020 because of COVID. And long story short, I had to relocate my office, which was in the dining room. And on the dining room table was this stand-up unit, the hardware where you can raise up and lower your monitor and your computer, those types of things. So anyway, that was on the dining room table, and I pretty much annexed the room. Thanksgiving in the United States is coming up, and I had to get out. So I moved that upstairs to what I call the penthouse. I have a beautiful view up there. But I have a temporary table set up at the moment. As a desk, it's a dropleaf. So I decided, why not make something like really custom? That's so that I can have more room in that area. At the moment, I have like that much, too much extending out. So, okay, so I went through the years. I will pick up pieces of wood and things like this. This here was a kitchen unit. Really solid, joined up. It looks like it could be maple. And so it's been sitting here in SC Custom Designs down here in the wood shop for years. And I found some other wood that I'm going to show you what that's all about. So this is going to be the top of the unit. Everything is pretty much still open to design, and I'll be making drawers for it using the dovetail jig. That being said, please look up dovetail jig, the Lee D4 Pro in my series, in all the videos we have. And so we go over every step of how to use that thing. We use that for the super awesome coffee table. Look up that series. And we just made a wedding box, I call it. And I made through dovetails for the wedding box. Out of some really cool species of woods. Look up that little mini series. So at any rate, I want to, the first one video is going to be all about, the idea that this is an open design. I can go anywhere I really where I want to go with it. So far I have the top that will join up, and then I have 4x4s in the shop. I'll taper those down, make tapered legs. I want to make drawers, at least one big wide drawer to just throw things in there. And so besides that, really not sure what else I'm going to do, but we'll see how it turns out. It's a lot of fun. And it really takes the pressure off when you don't have to hold yourself to a specific design. So at any rate, we're going to end this first video talking about using our biscuit joiner. This happens to be a dual biscuit joiner. I have it all set up, and really all a biscuit joiner does is it makes cavities to receive biscuits. And they have three size biscuits for this unit. And I've already done a review on this, so please look up the review on the dual biscuit cutter. But we're going to use a number 20. I only need 2 biscuits. And I'm going to be using this Gorilla Glue. It's my new go-to. Here it is. I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue. I really like how quick it sets up. And I'm not even going to, when I go to glue it up, I'm not even going to use a clamp. I'm just going to tap it down into 2 pieces with this little mallet here. And I already did that last night, overnight, and it was very strong. But what I did, this is one of the gotchas. And that is, if you hurry, you're going to make a real easy mistake that you can make with this. So when you're making the biscuits, you can lift up or down on on the unit, and what it's going to do is place one biscuit higher or lower, right, than the other. And that's exactly what happened. So when I put this together, it was a little bit crooked. And so we're going to do it again. So without further ado, and let's move this really fresh, wonderful cup of coffee. By the way, if you like what you see, appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. We get back to, when I say we, I get back to your questions and or your curiosities as quickly as I can. And I like to be very interactive. So you're going to want, for sure, ear protection. So I already have the layout here, and that is I have two biscuits areas here. And you just basically put a mark and then put the lines in there so that you know when you come in here, you're going to go right in the middle of the unit. Let's see if I can move this a little bit the other way so you can get a little bit more. All right, I'm going to plug it in. I say that out loud for myself, that I have a unit that is plugged in. All right, let's see here. I want to make sure you can actually see what I'm doing. All right, let's go ahead and make these. All right. Make sure you unplug your tools. Anytime you can see a plug, you know it's unplugged. That's a good thing, right? All right. Now what we do is what we call a dry fit. Always want to dry fit something you're gonna glue up, because what if something just went wrong, right? And something isn't correct. So simple as taking the biscuit, put it in the middle of the cavity. See, like this piece of wood was way not so dense as the first piece I cut through. And you want to make sure that your machine the motor is all cranked up all the way. Okay, this is beautiful. You're going to see that the piece is quite even now and flush. Well, just trust me, the other one was kind of like this, a little exaggerating, but you know, it was up a little bit too much. So once you've dry fitted it, it's as simple as doing the same thing over, but with glue. And that's it, my friends. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, I hope you do. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to click the bell, and that'll give you a little bit of a heads up that a video is going out. So we try to do at least one video a week. So again, I'm not really sure what I'm going to call this, you know, this little mini series. Maybe, you know, the COVID office table. I don't know. Maybe that's what I'll do. So we have tons of videos. Just Steve Larkin, look me up there in YouTube. Once you're on my channel, then you can just search for really any tool. I'm going to try to very carefully pick you up so that you're not shaking too much. Just look around the shop. We have a lot of tools, my friends. maybe it's time to do a new, and I am cleaning up too. I got several benches and tools all over the place. There's our jet vacuum system. Sucks up to about 5 microns dust. That's the dust that's dangerous. We have a jointer over there. We got a drill press, big clamps. We got our tailgater. There it is. That is a generator. Table saw, radiator arm saw, planer. I have another. We have 2 band saws. Raycon way over there. We have here a horizontal router table. Here is your typical vertical. I think I lost it somewhere. Oh, there it is. Your typical vertical router table, benchtop. I have a sander, which happens to be a Porter cable. Sorry, this is really hard to do. There. We have this wonderful rigid tabletop barrel and belt saw unit sander. We have our jet 14-inch bandsaw, and we just got tools. So just look up the series. We got tools under there as well, and we'd love to have your feedback. And sorry for any of the shaking. Y'all let me know that that's not good, and I agree. All right, thank you. We're going to try to keep our videos short and to the point. And thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. I'm going to do my usual goodbyes in several languages because I lived overseas as a kid. And I learned a few languages and at least how to say hello and goodbye. Zaijian, that's Mandarin for goodbye. Tutsens, I think it's like see you later, Afrikaans. You Afrikaners, let me know. And then Shalom Uvracha, that's my second language, Hebrew, goodbye and peace. And Masalami, and Arabic for peace and goodbye. And in English we say, see you later. Take care. Thanks for watching.